Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do the zipper fly for female pants. If you've been trying other methods and you've not been getting it right, I promise you this will be the last you will try because you will get it perfectly. I made it so simple, so if you're positive about that, keep watching. So first of all, you need to get your already cut out front pants. Now take measurement from the waist downwards of about 7 to 8 inches. Once you've done that, you just notch it. Now place your zipper on the fabric and then just make sure that that part where you notch it just slightly above this iron part on the zip. You can see it's slightly above it. You can see that taking measurement from my waist downwards is slightly above that iron on the zip. So as you keep going, you will understand why. Once you're done doing that, next just cut out two pieces and take measurement of about 10 inches. You can see this, it's 10 inches and the width about 2.5 inches, as you can see here. So you do the same thing on the other piece. Can see that, but you can see that they are cut differently. This one is curved while the other one is just like straight. So now go ahead to just sew like this and then you sew on the other piece as well. So you're sewing on the back, not on the front side. So I've gone ahead to just sew this and this is what it looks like. Go ahead to just notch the curved area. Once you're done doing that, you can now turn it inside out. You can see I just went ahead to just turn it. Now you do the same thing to the other part as well. So once that is done, the next thing you have to do now is to take both of your pieces. So basically just turn. This is the front of my fabric. Okay, so this is the front of my fabric and this other piece is the straight one. Okay, so now go ahead to just place it on that piece you cut out. That's the 10 inches and the 2 inches you cut out initially. Now just place it like this. Now be very conscious of how you place this. Okay, so you can see the part I notched. Okay, so you can see the way I'm placing it. Now go ahead to just fold it slightly. See the way I'm folding it, and you place it on your zip, and the zip is on that cut out piece. And you can see that, you can see this. Just go ahead and sew it this way. Just sew it on top like this. So this is what it looks like after sewing on top of it. So now go ahead to take the other part of your pants with the other piece that we cut out. Now sew them together, front side facing the front. You can see this. So you can see just the front side, you're sewing on the front. So you just place it this way, like this. Now go ahead to just sew. So this is what it looks like after sewing. You can see this. Now go ahead to just top stitch, sew on top of this other part. So after doing that, I went ahead to like sew downwards from that notched part downwards. You can see it on the image I'm showing you here to on your right. Just sew downwards and you can see from that notched part I sewed downwards. You can see the notched part, but I made it go up a little. Once you're done doing that, you can now iron on this. You can iron it. It's already looking like a full front pant already, so just go ahead to iron and you can see that this part is smooth. Now take your pin and hold it together, but while you're pinning together, make sure that it looks clean in front. So just go ahead, take your pins and then just hold it together. Once you're done doing that, now that other piece, that smaller piece that we've not sewn yet to the zip, now you can just sew the zipper upwards, sew it on the zip upwards, but be careful not to join the other parts to it. So once you're done, so this is what it looks like after sewing. You can see I've sewn it. So once that is done, the next thing is to draw the shape of your fly. Okay, now you can see that part, that iron part on the zip. Be very careful, make sure that whatever you draw, it's above that iron part. Okay, so this is what it looks like after sewing. Our zipper fly is ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. So now you can just stitch these two sides together. See you in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and tell them about my channel. Bye.